决胜局不看了。
他有球权，不会失误的。这一局他一定会赢。
Ladies and gentlemen, and the next game of the Women's 9-Ball Open is about to begin. First of all, let's welcome Lin Yiyang. Last time in this game, she has defeated many veterans as a young player and finished as a runner-up. She is definitely a dark horse. This year, she's back and currently shining in the top 5 of the world ranking. As a talented young prospect, she is the new hope of the Chinese team to win the championship this year.
And her opponent is Ashley, who has won 2 championships and 3 runner-ups in her professional career. We didn't expect that the last game in this stage would be just as exciting as the final.
What a pity that only one of these 2 great players will advance to the next stage of the tournament. Ladies and gentlemen, the next game of the Women's 9-Ball Open begins now!
Welcome, please. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Ashley is the breaker. We apply the rules of winner break in this tournament.
Ashley, break.
Ashley is doing a really great job today. We are at the 9th rack and she's still the breaker.
Ashley 是叫最红的选手，主场优势太明显。
这嫂子心理素质是真不错。这要是我等这8局，这心态早崩了。
他最大的优点，就是在赛场上戒掉了个人情绪。
is 8.
From 0 to 8, Yin Guo has turned the table. That's amazing.
决胜局不看了。
他有球权，不会失误的。这一局他一定会赢。
杨哥这心理素质比嫂子还好，决胜局都不看了。
才不是呢，他是不敢看了，紧张了他。
那我看。
杨哥，你真不看了？
客人还有10分钟就要到了，准备一下。
装。
On competitor for the championship, no matter who's out in this round.
Although she's at a very young age, but her mentality is very tough comparing to her peers.
你说这两个解说员叨，干扰不干扰他的情绪啊？
解说都不在现场里，但是吧，他们主场压力大。你看那个 Ashley， 他一进球，掌声欢呼声多大呀！一到我姐就会小很多。
问你哥呢，你就不懂。
不会的，无论环境是什么样子，对他都没影响。
还不错，你表扬一下都可以。
有一回，隔壁桌打架，警察都来了，他照脸不误，这点客场劣势不算什么。
啊？
我对他的这一点还是很放心的。
哎，这倒是，我姐平常看不出来，但是一到比赛就跟个机器人一样，一点表情没有，绝了。